Alright, this is a Bazooka 300 watt 2-channel amp. Not a bad little amp. It does not produce any sound. Everything seems to be okay on it. Going through, all the settings are good. I'm not hooking any speakers or RCA cables up to it because I already know it does not produce sound. And not to mention it's missing the ground screw. But if I hook power up to it, green light does come on. But here's the catcher. I'm going to disconnect that ground. That power light's still on. It'll stay on for a while. So it could be something with the power supply that it's holding juice. You'll see it dim out. And there, the green light is out, and I unplugged it from the ground a while ago. I've seen amps do this before and be okay, but that light is still on. No ground. And you can see it glowing off my finger. This amp right here, it's a Legacy Steel LA 4299 4200 watt 2-channel amp. Amp works amazing on full gain setting. It's missing the power screw, which I never could find one that's large enough for it. Surprisingly, these screws are freaking huge. But 225 amp fuses. They're supposed to be actually 40 amp. I didn't have two of them to fit this amp at the time. It's missing one screw, but both sides do work, if I remember correctly. The issue lies inside the amp. So, I already have it unscrewed to save some time. Everything internally on this amp is flawless, immaculately clean. All the FETs, everything is good. Every square inch of this internal structure is freaking perfect. The problem is right here. This does not work. It does not switch to high pass or low pass setting. It goes full gain setting is here, low pass, high pass. It only stays in full. The level works. Bass boost does not, low pass does not, high pass does not. The reason these do not work is because it's in full setting. Full setting, this amp only worked for the level adjustment. It would not tune through bass, low, or high pass. It would only control off of one knob. So it's got to be in this switch to why it will not go to the low pass and the high pass setting. But the amp is literally immaculate internally, and there's not a single burn. It's been repaired one time, and you can see the signature right here.